magic I can't hold. Your smile of honey gold, and that you never seem to be in short supply. So baby, let's get it on. Drinking wine and killing time, sitting in the summer sun. You know I wanted you so long. Why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? Lazy days, crazy dogs. You said we'd been friends too long. 7 days in sunny June were long enough to bloom. The flowers on the summer dress you wore in spring. The way we laughed as one, and then you dropped the bomb that I know you too long for us to have a thing. So baby, let's get it on. Drinking wine and killing time, sitting in the summer sun. You know I wanted you so long. Why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? So baby, let's get it on. Drinking wine and killing time, sitting in the summer sun. You know I wanted you so long. Why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? Could it be this? The starfish in your eyes tell of silent wings you fly away on. 7 days in sunny June, but long enough to bloom. Flowers on that sunbeam dress you wore in spring. Yeah, yeah. The way we laughed as one. Why did you drop that bomb on me? So baby, let's get it on. Drinking wine and killing time, sitting in the summer sun. You know I wanted you so long. Why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? The honeysuckle blessing seemed to show me. Could it be this? For 7 days